catfish is back, baby. Man, I really need to get a automatic door opener. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I go by the name of Solo. Welcome back to Solo Driven. Today, we're gonna be doing a quick and simple, easy video. We're gonna be giving the Catfish SS Camaro SLP a facelift. Now, what I mean by facelift is we're gonna be swapping out the headlights, the side markers, and also replacing the third brake light. So, before we get into what we got, let's move the Hades Cobra. Now, for those that saw the last video, y'all know all the issues that I covered on the Hades Cobra, and also we're going to be replacing the differential. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all what I have. I know that y'all have been seeing these boxes in the corner for a while, so I'm going to show y'all what I got and what are the plans for the Hades Cobra. So what we have here are the Moser solid rear axles. These are meant to hold a lot of intense torque, and they're very strong. I've had these before on my Marauder, so I'm pretty excited and happy to have them again. I believe these are the more spline. I don't know what exactly the number, but these have more spline, which is more grip for when you put the power to the differential and into the ground. These actually feel pretty cool. They're pretty, you know, solid and heavy. So this is like almost like a weapon, like Thor's hammer. This is a heavy duty track lock, posi track. I think it's made of carbon, so this is very durable. Everything that we're gonna have today that I'm showing y'all is gonna be high performance stuff, able to handle like 1,000+ horsepower. So this is a winner. Alright guys, so this kit comes with absolutely everything that you need. You have to think about nothing when you order this kit. It comes with the wheel studs down to the bearings, the differential cover, the gears, the oil, everything that you need all in one kit without having to think of nothing extra that you need. Now one thing that I did make sure to do is I got the factory 355 gear ratio. I had the 410s in my Marauder and it completely killed my highway. And I actually enjoy the 355s. I didn't want to go 373 or nothing like that. So I went with the factory gear ratio, which are the 355. I'm probably not going to go with this oil. I'm probably going to go with Mobil 1. What I like about this differential cover is that it comes with the oil drain and oil fill plug, which does not come on the factory. So this is a very good addition as opposed to the factory. These are all the parts that we have planned for the differential. We're gonna completely take all the guts out and replace them with high quality, sturdy, stronger stuff, and I cannot wait to feel the difference because I felt it on my Marauder and I want to feel the difference on the Cobra. So that's what we have as far as the differential is concerned. And also I'm gonna show you guys, check it out. So, injector dynamics fuel injectors and also the Division X fuel system. Now guys, I've had this stuff for over a year. I'll cover more about when I got this, how I got it, how much I paid for it a little later, but we do have the fuel system, we do have the injectors, and we're gonna be putting that in. As soon as we get all these issues resolved with the Cobra, all this stuff is going in. All in videos to come. If you don't wanna miss any of this content, make sure you subscribe. Oh wait, I still have more parts to show you. Anyway, back to the Camaro. Alright, so like I mentioned a little while ago, we're going to be replacing the headlights and both the side markers. So let's get right straight into it because this is not going to be a hard install so we can see the finished product. To remove the turn signal assembly, there's not really too many videos on, Fbody Camaros, but it's very, very simple. Once you remove the headlight assembly, all you're going to do is come in here and you're going to remove 3 little screws, I believe, if I can get it to focus. 3 7mm screws, 1, 2, and then 1 on the bottom as well. So that's all you need to do to remove the side marker assembly. So we finished installing all the headlights, all the lights on the car, and check it out. It looks really good. It gave it a more aggressive and cleaner look. One thing that we need to do is replace all the bulbs. We're gonna go with white K, and we also need to replace these bulbs to amber. We're gonna be replacing the fogs and changing those to 5K LED, and also the rear reflector lights or whatever you would call them. We need to change those to red. I thought about doing the red, the flasher for the third brake light. Let me know what you guys think, if I should do that in the comment section down below. If we should convert that like I did on the Hades Cobra to a flasher light. This is exactly what the car needed. Gives it a fresh, more aggressive look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of the new facelift that we gave the Camaro. Alright guys, so that's gonna end today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and remember, be motivated, stay driven.